Hey, good morning, everybody. Good morning, Thomas, Julie, Stephen, Mike, JW, Bob, Joe, Mike, and John. Good morning to everybody. How we doing today? Maybe there'll be a little more excitement today than yesterday. That's what I'm kind of hoping on. It looks like pre-market here. I've got some pre-market stocks I want to look at that are popping up on the scanner. We'll kind of take a quick look at them this morning, and then we'll talk about them more after the market opens up, and how we might want to handle some of those, both long and short. Anyway, here we are on the SPY. I think what we need to do, maybe, so far we have a low, high, and a higher low. Well, I guess today would be the higher low. Well, even yesterday, the higher low. This 410.50, this is the line to beat for the bulls, in my opinion. And there's no magic there. It's simply 50% of this top right here and that low right there. No magic to it. It's just 50%. That's what the bulls need to get over. If the bulls cannot get over that line, then we may sag a little bit, come down and test that 50 period moving average right in here. So, and of course, if we fail that, you've got the 200 right in here. Information is the best thing in the world, and the more information we get about this chart, the better off we are. So yesterday, yesterday was Fed day, so the market all day yesterday was chewing on whether or not good, bad, or indifferent, what to do. So now the market's had a night to sleep on it. Maybe today will be a little bit more, a little less emotional type trading, and a little more, trading that makes sense a little bit. So let's just see how this plays out. I still think the chart to watch is this FNGU, because it's all about the big tech through here. I don't think that is. Let me double check here. No, that's not. So right there, 50% line is going to be right there. So now, anything above $90 here for FNGU, I'm leaning toward the bullish side. Anything below that, not so much. So hold on, FNGU. All right, let's take a look at, excuse me, a few of these charts. Thank you to Ed, live trading alerts, and the scanner here gives us some pre-market stuff to look at. And let's take a look at race. Look at race gapping up here. So, we don't particularly want to trade. We'll chase, is what I meant to say. We particularly don't want to chase, so we want to give it a little bit of time. So this is one we'll be looking at. And again, I'll talk about this more when the market opens, and we'll take a look at, how we might trade this going up. But it's just one, maybe jot down for the watch list. Another one is RCL. Look at that thing gapping up here. We've got these highs over here that we could possibly reach. Probably not today, but down the road relatively soon, providing everything keeps on working. Beautiful little breakout here above that 50 period moving average. So I think that's one that we'll take a look at again after the market closes. LMNA isn't, LMNL. Nope. Oh well, we'll come back to that one. I'll figure it out. I wrote it down wrong. CCL. Take a look at CCL. Here we're popping up over the, let me get rid of all this. Here we're popping up over the trend indicator. Trend indicator's now turned red. We're gapping up over the 200 and the 50 period moving average. So to me, that's a sweet spot for me. So now we'll take a look at this when the market opens up, a little bit after the market opens up. Let me check one thing here. Bear with me, please. was the other one here? D-Dog showed a few signs this morning of moving up here. Now I think D-Dog needs to break out right in here, but that certainly is a pretty good start, so we'll keep that one on the list here. Hey, you know, we wouldn't be right if we didn't look at some shorts. So Piton is headed back down. We'll watch this one. It looks like gapping down, maybe open up around this 770. We'll look at entry points, maybe pop up 3 trap, maybe follow through to the downside, something like that. Para, P-A-R-A, Paramount. Paramount not doing so good here today. Sure glad I sold my Paramount up here, made a few bucks on it. You know, sometimes you wake up in the morning and you think, wow, that was the best trade right there. May not have made as much money on this one as you did on that other one, but boy, I gotta tell you, right now I'm thinking that was the best trade of our week last week on this here Paramount. So right now we'll be looking at this for a short, monitor that price action. Starbucks may be leaning to the downside, another one we'll be talking about later today. Here yesterday we gapped right down to the 50 period moving average. I suspect there's more downside here. We'll watch for a little bit of lift. As I've got these on a special watch list, so as I see them kind of setting up, I'll post them out there on the app, members app, so everybody gets a chance to see them here. Shop is another one. Write that down here. There we go. Shop. Take a look at Shop here. Nice gap up. So we'll take a look at that for maybe some targets going forward over the next couple of weeks on how this might be traded. You can see we're running right into resistance right over here. So careful chasing on things like this. Anyone that was in it, congratulations. Super congratulations on that. Way to go. IMGN, there's another one. Yesterday gapped up. This is another one we probably ought to talk about, how we might look at trading that. So that one's looking pretty good. For a short, it looks like Trip. Yeah, Trip is moving down a little bit. Here's the weekly chart on Trip. You can see we're playing with these lows over here on the weekly chart. We start to see a breakdown. Man, this could easily be a $10 stock coming up. So we'll shop for those entries, post them on the app, make everything look really, really good. Alrighty, let me write that one down. Okay. Really quick, anybody have any charts you want to take a peek at? If anyone has anything. Oh, I think Sean mentioned yesterday he bought some NCLH back, and that's, man, look at that. That's looking hot. Way to go, Sean. Sean had it here. I think had it here or here, one of the two. Sold it, and I believe he bought it back yesterday. I think I saw that in the room. So way to go, Sean. That's looking pretty hot right there. Maybe we better write that one down too, huh? NCLH. I wonder if there's a boat trend going on here. NCLH, RCL, CCL, some kind of trend going there. Alrighty, Cuck. Yeah, look at Cuck. Yeah, thanks JW. Beautiful. And not only are, you know, gapping up like this morning and, you know, up over the 50 period moving average, but look how it got there. Beautiful chart pattern. Better write that down. All right. Thank you. Thank you. All righty. What else have we got here? DKNG. This is one I've been just dying to get in, but I don't know. I just haven't gotten in yet. Anyway, this might be setting up. We'll look at this more a little bit today. Write some of these down. And what What's another one here? What's Spot doing? Old Spotify, just floating along. That one's going to need to pop up, and if it does, you know, we'll throw alert out there on the app. And by the way, if there are any members that does not have the app, please, you know, shout out. Maybe you, I mean, unless you just don't want it, and that's cool. But if you don't know how to download it or anything, please shout out and let us know, okay? Let's see here. Yeah, we'll call it good there. All right. Hope that was helpful for everybody. Hope you know, make a list of those stocks, put them on your watch list. Let our eyes do the work today, and then we'll get that information out to all the members there. So, again, thanks for being here. Good morning, Winslow, Fred, Tommy. I think you guys showed up after I said good morning this morning. So, good morning to you all. Appreciate it. Thanks for being here. I really do appreciate it. Hey, I'll be back bottom of the hour. Let's take a look at some charts. Let's try to make some money today, right? All right. You guys take care. See you at the bottom of the hour.